Hey, this is Map Investments. I want to do another video on another trade that I saw today. It wasn't even on my radar. It wasn't on my list of stocks to look at, but I saw it. I saw it on the ticker while watching CNBC. I always look at the ticker, the bottom part where it shows the stock prices, and I saw it flash by, and I was like, "Oh, I remember this stock blowing up once." And the name of the stock is Upstart, UPST. And I remember these guys a while back. Um, the stock just like it blew up completely. I mean, this stock was in the 50s, 60s, and this thing touched 160, I think it was. Let me see if it tells me here the high and low for the year. 165. The low was 22. So I saw it today on the ticker. It was trading around 85 bucks. It was green on the day. And I said, well, let's take a shot at this stock. Why not? And I started reading the notes in the TD platform, and they had news that there were some call options at the 120, which is pretty much up here. But I said, well, 120 is kind of close, and if this thing went all the way up here once, why not try and go up there? So I play with it, and here's the option chain. Um, at the time, it was right here. I really didn't want to do a put credit spread. The expected move was about 20 bucks. Um, I didn't really want to do a put credit spread. I really didn't want to wager, uh, a $5 spread minus whatever I collected. So, like, let's say, for example, the 90 was the 27 delta, for example. Well, that wasn't the case at the time. At the time, it was more or less here the 80, and I think I could have collected about a buck 55 at the 80. But it was trading 85, expected moves 20. Could have definitely blown through my put credit spread. So I would have lost, you know, 350 to make 150, and I didn't think it was worth it. So I said, let me just take a Hail Mary shot here. Um, the stock doesn't have a lot of shares, so it's you know known to really move. It's up 21% right now. It's up to 107, 108 right now in the after hours. What I did basically was I went to the 150. I know it's super aggressive, kind of crazy, but um, let me see what the IV rank is here. I don't think it's gonna have it here because it's a new issue. It's an IPO, so it doesn't have it. Uh, Let me see here if it has it in Tasty. Let me see. I don't really trade on Tasty. I have a couple old options just sitting there. A little bit of money there just because I like to keep a little bit of money there just to have that account open because I do like their platform. Let's see here. They have it as 55, so it is high. The options are expensive. Um, but the one that I sold had an implied volatility of 161 compared to the one that I bought of 116. So at least I was selling one that was really expensive compared to the one that I was buying. So what I did basically, you can see I'm up on the trade, 42.50. Um, the trade consisted of $100. So I sold the 150 for 45 and I bought the back one for 145 for $100. Uh, that was the trade. Take a look at the analyze tab here. Stocks right here. I mean, I have some time for this to play out. Um, but this $100 trade can let me, if this stock keep moving up, right now it's right here um, as we speak. So tomorrow I'll wake up at about here. But if the stock keeps pumping up in the next month or so, um, I mean, I can, if it gets up here to 150, it's $1,300 profit on $100 uh, assumption. So I took a gamble. I saw it on the tape, and it's doing well and it's trending. It's trending on stock tweets. Um, I know it's after the fact, and I didn't do it before, but you can see it there that I have the position on Thinkorswim, and I promise you tomorrow I'll try and do videos on the 13 or so that are reporting after the bell tomorrow, and I'll look at the ones that are reporting Thursday before the bell as well. Anyways, like the video, share it, and see you in the next video.